Hello everybody, let's try and create this slide and see how it looks like. Okay, it looks great. Let's create it. At first, we need to insert a new slide. In our new slide, we need two things. Two triangles. We get one from here. Okay, then rotate it. And we also want another one. But for something to look better, we need to increase it in size. Okay, now it's good. Then we, by control, create a copy of that and then flip it. Now we make it here. And don't forget to align it center, middle, and align it middle, and bring it out. And then after that, copy the text, color this two things up. I'm going to set the color to light blue and the shape outline to none. But I'm going to get them some shadow. This is going to have the right, left, and this is going to have the right. Then I copy what happened. I copy the slide, bring it here, and bring it here. Then bring the text up. Now just set the transition to morph, but before that, let me bring this text up. This up. Okay, set the transition to morph. Now your slide is ready. It looks beautiful. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.